What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be intense. I'm going to be having two strangers cook me a whole meal, okay? We got the appetizer, we got the main course, and we have dessert. I'm just letting two strangers cook me a meal. If you guys are wondering who the two strangers are, it's Tia and Shaq from Bad Canteen. Tia and Shaq are going to be competing, and I'm gonna be the judge, and I will let you guys know who makes the best dish. I'm really nervous, honestly. Like, what if it tastes so bad? I want you guys to let me know in the comments down below who you guys think will win as well. And yeah, I'm just gonna be sitting here, judging, commenting, approving. I'm really hoping that they work it out. I feel like Tia's gonna be really good. Like, her name's very close to mine, so I'm already team Tia. Tia, Teala, very similar. Shaq, I don't know. Shaq does not sound like a chef, so. But maybe Shaq will prove me wrong. You never know. Let's get them in the kitchen.
First of all, I'm going to prepare the sweet potato and butternut squash.
My stuff.
Yeah. Oh no, I saw that coming.
I've never had kale before.
What? Kale is the ish. She is chopping away. That is a strong woman. Don't mess with her. Thank you. She will cut you. Just kidding.
So I'm making butternut squash, sweet potato, kale, green peppers, red peppers, and roasted almond salad.
I don't even know what I'm making, you know what? I don't know. It's kale, peppers. I completely forgot what I'm doing. So I'm just gonna chop everything. And I'm gonna dash it in there.
I already feel like I know who's gonna win this first course. Like, it's very clear. So far, I like how Tia took one of my favorite meals, which is kale, sauteed kale with a little bit of peppers and all that. She took that, but she added her own swing or spin to it. So far, from watching Shaq, he seems to just be doing exactly what I would do, but not at all. At this point, Tia's gonna be done way before he's even put the kale in, so I'm a little concerned.
I'm going to put this in the oven just so it gets like a nice browning.
She's already on to part 2. He's not even on part 1.
Is that the oven?
What is he putting in that? What is that? What is that?
It's garlic.
Okay, we love garlic.
Every 2 minutes.
It does smell good, I'll give him that. Okay, not gonna lie, a little impressed with Shaq because he's putting the feta after. I was so terrified he was gonna put it in the pan while he was cooking. I'm like, ooh, never done that before, good luck. But he learned his lesson. Although the way he's opening this feta is scaring me. He's just taking a knife and going.
You gotta tap the feta.
Like, you don't know how to open feta cheese? Wow, I really thought that Shaq would be the one that wasn't ready. But he's pretty much done, and Tia's not done yet. She's got a cute white plate. Looks Instagrammable. Oh yes, the butternut squash, sweet potato.
I'm just going to fancily shave some apple. Almonds on top.
I do love almonds. Okay.
It's judgment time.
Very nervous. I don't know what to expect. If we're going on presentation, for sure, Tia, like 10 out of 10. I mean, this looks incredible. This looks like something that you would get at like a nice restaurant. Shaq, I like the bowl. But you know, you never know. Yours could take the cake on the taste. So without further ado, I think I'm gonna try Shaq's first because he finished first. Oh no, I don't know if I wanna do this. Okay. This is a big one.
That's a massive bit.
Okay. That's really good.
Really?
Yeah.
Teala, look at me.
No, I'm serious. This tastes really good. It's flavorful. It's not too spicy. He didn't overcook the kale. Not bad. Okay, Tia's turn. Okay, let's go. Oh wow. Yes. Okay. I mean, honestly, I'm going in for another bite, which like already tells you something. Hers doesn't have feta, but I'm actually glad it doesn't have feta because I feel like the feta wouldn't go because this is like semi-sweet and the feta would throw it off. It's soft, but still crunchy, savory, but a little bit sweet. I feel like it's the perfect appetizer. Yours is very good as well. I'm gonna have to give it to Tia.
That's good.
But yours was really good. Yours was really good.
I think she was gonna win anyway, so the fact it was good.
Like honestly, I'd say yours was like an 8 and hers was like a 9.5. Yours is like a nice snack.
I take a little snack.
We love a good snack.
Hey, don't you laugh, you feta forgetter, alright? Yeah, you relax over there.
Feta forgetter, yeah?
Feta forgetter.
So honestly, I'm impressed to see what you guys do with the main course because I'm impressed. Like y'all have some weird things when you're in the kitchen and y'all look a little, I'm like, ooh, you're a little sketched out, but the end result is great. Well, round 1 went surprisingly really well. Now it's time for them to make the main course, which they are gonna make me pasta. I love pasta so much. Let's see who wins this round. Will it be Tia or Shaq? Shaq or Tia? Oh!
So today I'm going to be making a red pepper and tomato pasta, which the pasta has like a really weird name. I don't really know how to pronounce it. Fettuccine.
Oh.
I did
Oh
say
my
Fettuccine. Fettuccine.
So I'm setting that to a boil, and then I'm gonna add my pasta.
Oh no. He's reading his book and he's like, I don't know what to do now. What's going on? Do you cook at all at home, Chad?
This show is so new, and you lot acting like we've forgotten the concept here.
Ooh, those veggies smell good. Yes. Ooh, what is that? What is under the sheet? It's a mystery. Ooh, the big reveal.
Huh? What I'm saying?
Once again, Shaq, I don't know what he's doing. The noodles aren't even in the pot. He's just cooking water right now. She's blending the hot ingredients to make that spicy sauce. He's pouring her in. What are you adding to the water?
Adding some salt.
Oh, okay.
Can I have some salt too?
Yeah, you may.
Thank you.
Huh? No, go on. Ha! Go down, there's salt. Take the salt, mama, come, what's wrong with you, man?
So after the pasta starts boiling, I have to wait roughly 12 minutes, no longer, otherwise it will be too mushy. And then I'll stick another pan on the hob and softly cook my spinach, not too much because you still want the crunch. Mix the pasta in with the pasta sauce, then finish with the spinach, mozzarella and lemon.
What's the plan?
Boil the water. Put the olive oil on the fire, put down my basil leaves,
Ooh.
garlic,
Ooh.
squeeze the juice out of my tomatoes,
Ooh.
and then I'm gonna see that action, stir it up, and then yeah, after that, gonna add my pasta into the solution, and then another bit of whipping the whip, and then yeah.
Whipping the whip.
And I'm gonna pray that is.
Shall I take it easy? Because,
Should she take it easy? Hasn't even made the sauce.
you know,
Ooh, now we're talking. Finish this.
I know it actually does smell great.
Yeah, Shaq, when are you gonna put in that mozzarella?
Well, yeah, I feel like the most pressure I feel right now is that Teala's there seeing how much of a mess I am as a person and a human being. You don't know how much of a mess I am. You already know that. You know what I mean? The whole crew knows that. You know what I mean? Tia, she knew. Don't judge me.
I won't. It's a judge-free zone. Just kidding, I'm the judge.
I'm about to do a math thing because I've got time in it. If it goes wrong, then whatever.
Oh, okay. Her presentation is always on point. I mean, she is just. It does smell bomb though, guys. Like, wow. I'm not mad about it. It looks good.
You good?
I'm done.
Cool.
I'm out.
Time for the big reveal. Let's try some pasta. I'm going to try Tia's first because she finished on time. So here we go. Her presentation, once again, Instagrammable, which is very important. I'm gonna get all of it in there. I'm taking a big scoop. Okay. Delicious. Yes. Delicious. Oh, this is bomb. I probably wouldn't finish all of it. I'd get it to go.
Wow. Oh my gosh.
This was better. This is better than the salad she made, and that was really good. So, now it's Shaq's turn.
Forget about it. That ain't even
Now, once again, presentation is a no from me. But his dish did smell amazing when he was making it. He kind of just threw on the cheese. It's not moving. It's kind of just, so there's that. So we're just gonna, she smells good. It's really nasty. It's like rusted. He put too much herbs in it. Like out of 10, that's probably a 3. And that's only because of the cheese. Yeah, thank you. Well, you know what? This is great for the viewers. If you feel like you can't cook, like he did it, I'm sure you're better than him. If you guys lacked any self-esteem, look at this and feel better about yourself. If you're ever having a bad day, just know that Shaq burnt pasta. But Tia, you're amazing. This was great. Presentation was great. We'll take a picture of it. Delicious.
Thank you.
I'm fine. I'm ready to move on. Time for dessert.
We have 5 minutes to do it, so we might as well get cracking. So I am just going to be using fruit mainly because that's what I like the most in my ice cream. I'm going to make a raspberry coulis with some chopped up strawberries, some pecans, some desiccated, is it desiccated? Flaked coconut in with the vanilla ice cream, and then some mint just as a garnish.
I'm literally doing vanilla, putting caramel at the top, and I'm adding mango.
I don't even know if she knows this, but I love raspberries. Like, that's my go-to.
Same. I love raspberries
so
with
good.
all my heart.
Yes. Oh, she's working fast.
With ice cream sundaes, it's all about layers.
She knows. Yes.
Okay, yeah, I'm done.
All right, let's see who's gonna win this one. let's just see.
I'm gonna choose yours first. We shouldn't have to keep going over this with the presentation because clearly he doesn't get that. But he chose mango, caramel, and vanilla ice cream. It's time to try it. Let's dig in. The mango's throwing me off. Like, it just doesn't need to be there. It's either you're going sweet or you're like, I'm confused. But it's not bad, but I wouldn't order it. And now it's time for Tia's turn. Now Tia went with the vanilla ice cream, strawberries, raspberries, pecans, coconuts, like, she knows. She freaking knows. So let's dig in. I mean, this already looks better, so. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Oh yes, double dip. There's so many different layers, which is what you want when you order a sundae. You don't just order that.
Yes.
I mean, this is such a yes, like, bomb. I'm going back in again. Woo! Woo! So, Tia, I don't know who raised you, but whoever raised you did an amazing job because her presentation is always a yes, and she's amazing. And Shaq, you're amazing too, but cooking is just not for you. And that's okay. But he's funny, you got a great smile, got good swag, and yeah. But just keep your day job, please. Well, that is all. Thank you guys so much for coming on my channel and making me the amazing 3-course meal. You guys killed it. Some better than others. But I really appreciate you guys. You guys are amazing. Make sure you guys check out the video we did over on their channel. They are so funny, and you guys can see a little bit more. of what really went down. So the link to that video will be inside the description box and in the end card. So yeah, I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!